Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol NETE, that's Net Element. We go back on this chart 2 days. We have the after hours, pre-market, and then this is Tuesday. After hours, pre-market, Wednesday. And the chart we're looking at today is a 15-minute chart. Each candlestick representing 15 minutes of trading. Now I want to focus on these last 2 days since we just had the earnings release for Net Element, and then we had some major selling off. So I just want to discuss where my price targets are and what I might see the price doing in the near future based off historical data, last earnings, and the data that we have here now. With that said, let's just get right into the chart. So we have our spike up here from ER. You know, they released ER. We had that major run. We topped out at 57 cents. Someone was buying shares at 57 cents. If you guys feel bad about your shares, feel bad for this guy who bought at 57 cents. The price never really got close to 57 cents again. It peaked out here around 56 cents. But that candle closed at 54 cents. And then it just really fell off the entire time. The entire chart looking really ugly. So after the market opened, you know, we had a really volatile few candles here. A lot of wick on these candles, but none of them are really very nice looking. You know, we have a ton of wick. This was a really bearish, bullish candle, closing all the way down here when it had such a high trading range. And then right after that, we saw some major selling off. The price kind of consolidated up a little bit, but dipped right back down below. With that said, I want to take a look at these 5 main areas of support and resistance: 495, 41.7, 38.5, 33, and 29. Now, if you've been watching my Net Element videos, I did mention multiple times that my swing trade for this earnings would be an entrance around 29 cents, ideally, maybe 30 cents, 31, 32, maybe even 33 cents, but ideally 29 cents, and a swing to 40 to 42 cents. That was my price target. Well, we hit my price targets and then some. You know, we went all the way up to 57 cents there, but it's almost irrelevant. I'll say this thing kind of capped out around 50 cents. So it went way past my price targets in the after hours and the pre-market trading. But during the actual trading period, we just consolidated down the entire time. And I'm sad to say that we're back to 29 cents now. We closed just barely above 29 cents, right at like 29.5 or even 30 cents, I think that would be. So we're right down to the levels that we were at before earnings release, which is pretty surprising because Net Element killed the earnings. And though my price target was 40 to 42 cents, which therefore means that I would imagine the price would come down from those levels, in my mind I was thinking maybe we would come down to about 35 cents and kind of stay around 35 cents after this earnings. So I'm actually pretty surprised, honestly, that we went all the way back down to 29 cents. That said, 29 cents did hold, so that's pretty good. If you guys have been watching Net Element for a while, you know 33 cents is a very important area. So our price is probably going to get back above 33 cents and hang out there for a bit. But we have a lot of resistance there. On this 5-minute chart, you can see that actually the yellow and red lines, the 50 and 200-day moving average, they're literally clustered up right here, literally on the 33 cent mark. So 33 cents is going to be a pretty important area to break. If we break 33 cents and turn to support, things are looking pretty good. And to be honest, based off last ER, I could see that happening. If you guys remember, last ER we had that run up and then a major selling off right after. But then the price almost ran back up to the high from earnings. So we could very well see that the next few days. We could see this thing retrace back up and test 40 cents or so. So in order to have that test of 40 cents, though, we really need to break above 33 cents and turn to support. 33 cents is the key area for Net Element. 29 cents is also a key area of support. If 29 cents breaks, things are going to be really bad for Net Element. 29 cents has been holding up for straight up a month, or over a month even. Super important area, 29 cents. If that breaks, things are going to be looking really ugly, but so far it's held up really well. Occasionally we had some candle wicks test below 29 cents, but they usually ended up closing right above. And 29 cents has held this entire time, so we need to keep holding. But let's move up. If we turn 33 cents to support, I think we might be able to push back to 40 cents. Honestly, the ER was really good. The price shouldn't have consolidated back down this low, and I think that there is a good chance that we get back to the 40 cent level. Let's just watch how it plays out the next day or two. So to reiterate, watch for hard support at 29 cents and resistance at 33 cents. If we break above 33 cents, I will consider an entrance at 33 cents for a potential swing up to that 40-cent area. And though I love NETE as a company and I would go long on it and just hold it, that's just not my trading style. You guys know I'm an intraday trader. I like to enter positions and exit them as fast as possible and leave my profits. So even though I like NETE, that's why I keep saying that I plan on swing trading it and exiting. It's not that I don't like NETE, it's just that that's my trading style. Everyone has different trading styles. I would prefer to just kind of keep my cash available and to take profits off the table when I can. So I'm looking for an entrance at 33 cents if we break above it in terms of support. And if everything still looks good, I'll buy in with a tight stop right below 33 cents, maybe like 32.5 or something like that, and hopefully get a swing to 40 cents or so. That's all I got to say about NETE, guys. I'm really surprised it consolidated back this low. I thought it would consolidate down to about 35 cents, not 30 cents. But I still have faith. I still think this thing might spike up again. So let's see what it does the rest of the week. Hope this helped you guys out. Any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.